Alright guys, so here is the ProComp Black Series 2.75 inch coilover. This is just going to be an unboxing video. Stay till the end and I'll give you some specs, or I'll give them in the description below of the, I want to try and measure the actual shaft sticking out, so the extended length and collapse length. I actually contacted ProComp and asked them for some info on it, but they said it's all proprietary, whatever that means, so they didn't give me any information. But I'll give you eye to eye length, and then I'll try and calculate how much the length is collapsed, and then I'll give you some diameters of the actual body and actual diameters of the coil, and I'll try and get some numbers off. I don't know what the spring rate is on it. But again, this is the ZX4002. This goes to I'm putting it on a 2013 Chevy Silverado. So I'm pretty sure it fits other models. I think it's 2007 and a half, the new body style Chevys, up to 2018, I want to say. So I'm gonna try these out, and I'll have another video. Hopefully I'll release the review video, initial review of these right after this, so you can check it out. I'll leave it in the description, or at the end of the video you can go check out that video. So right now I'm just going to unbox it and show you guys what it looks like. So we'll start with the hardware first. You got some, like, this hardware is for the lower control arm mount. Here are some spacers for the upper eye that goes to our, right here is our top hat. So this goes on the top, and it's got your spot. These spacers go in between there. I'll show you this all assembled anyway. And we have our main bolt that goes in our top eyelet. I think these are our lower control arm bolts. These are also grade 8 bolts, which is nice. Come with lock nuts and everything. Now I like the packaging of this. The packaging looks good. Here is the coilover. So, actually, get this out of the way. Here is the coilover. So, looks pretty good. You got the top here. You actually have a fitting where you can actually charge with nitrogen. I'm not sure what these come with pre-charged. I think standard's usually around 200 psi. So maybe down the road I'll kind of check and see what the actual size is. But here's your lower mount, and yeah, looks pretty good. We'll take some measurements. Alright, so we're gonna measure eyelet to eyelet. I'm gonna go center right there, center right there. That looks to be exactly 19.5 inches. Now it's gonna be a little more once we put our top hat on and measure from there to here. That's what the distance is, so I'm going to measure that and compare it to my original coilovers, or the factory coilovers. So, and then we'll see. I'll try and guess this one. This one looks like it's about a 5-inch outside coil diameter, and then for the inside, looks like it's 3.5 inch inside diameter. 3.5 inches for the inside diameter. And I'm going to try and get some calipers across the body. I don't know how close that will be, but that is 2.76 inches. So it is a 2.75 inch diameter body on this. So, and it is adjustable. So what I'm going to do is probably turn it all the way out and then adjust my ride height from there. And then the actual spring, I mean, it has some preload on it. It's not completely loose, but I'm just going to measure that. That's 11.5 inches there. This is a rebuildable shock. You can take, there's some bolts here that you can take the bottom cap off here, and then I think you can unscrew this top cap. I did reach out to ProComp and ask for a rebuild kit. They still haven't gotten back to me, so I'm kind of waiting on if they actually have a rebuild kit for these. So I'll see about that. So here's the coilover fully assembled. It's got those spacers up in top that I talked about, and then here's the top hat. So, and then the lower mount here. This is what it looks like.